Hi there everyone. I'm really excited today to share with you a project that I have been working on for the last few months. If you're familiar with the PX4 flight stack, you'll know that it's pretty easy to get a drone up in the air and flying, but often it can be incredibly challenging to get a professional, precise and accurate tune for a PX4 drone, particularly if it's a large drone where the defaults are not really appropriate. Often we can find ourselves chasing oscillations or dealing with a mushy, imprecise stick feel, and you can spend forever changing parameters around and not knowing if you're making things better or worse. I've put together this PX4 tuning course for multicopters to take you step by step through a data-driven and scientific approach to tuning multicopters of any size using the PX4 flight control software. The idea is to move away from a trial and error approach to a scientific, methodical workflow that gets the maximum possible performance out of whatever hardware you're using. This course is built around the PX4 control architecture, and we move up the control stack from the bottom to the top. Chapters 1 to 3 cover the hardware setup, the initial software configuration, and the first maiden flight of a new drone, and it includes detail on the logging settings that we need to capture the high rate data that we're going to use for tuning the filters. Chapter 4 is a deep dive into filter optimization in PX4. We'll look at how to use RPM telemetry and data from the FFT engine to drive harmonic notches that will kill noise before it ever reaches your PIDs. And we'll look at how to tune the gyro low pass filter to make sure that you have the minimum delay for a maximally locked in feeling, whilst making sure that high frequency noise that's dangerous for ESCs and motors never makes it to your outputs. From there, we'll climb the control stack. Chapters 5 and 6 look at the rate and angle controllers, the inner control loops, which we'll tune using a combination of time series data and step responses to give you a full grounding in how to tune any PID controller to perfection. Chapters 7 through 9 cover the outer loops. We'll start by locking in vertical and horizontal velocity control before moving on to position to make sure your drone stays exactly where you put it in the sky, whether you're flying manually or driving it with an autonomous mission. Finally, in Chapter 10, we'll look at all of the parameters which govern flight behavior. This is where we tune the personality of the drone, adjusting the jerk, acceleration, and velocity limits to suit your application, whether you're looking for a buttery smooth cinematic style feel or something much more sharp and precise. This course is hosted on Thinkific, and I've done everything I can to make it as practical and accessible as possible. Every lesson includes a video where I talk you through all of the subject matter, but alongside the video is also a detailed text description for those of you who prefer to absorb the technical information at their own pace, or for those of you who like to read along as you listen to help really embed that information in your mind. In all the relevant modules, I've also included links to flight logs on PX4 Flight Review so that you can click through and look at exactly the same data that I'm working with and follow along with the analysis. This allows you to see exactly how changing different parameters affects the behavior of different parts of the flight control software, and it also allows you to learn to tune even if you don't have logs of your own to work with. There are also technical quizzes to test your understanding, and should you get any question wrong, you'll get immediate feedback explaining why and what the correct answer is so you can refine your understanding. Every single lesson also has its own discussion section where you can post questions about the material and get support from fellow learners. I'll also be checking in on these discussions to make sure no question goes unanswered. This course is a self-directed guide for independent learners. And I want to be clear that the goal is not just to help you tune a PX4 drone. The goal is to give you the skills and experience to analyze your own logs, adjust your own PID tuning parameters, and identify problems in an existing tune so that you can get a professional tune on any PX4 drone without needing any outside help. Now, I know it's important to see if a course is going to be right for you before signing up. So if you enroll for free, you'll be able to preview all of the chapter introductions, which will give you a sense of how the platform works and also the level of detail that we're going to go into throughout the course to see if it's going to be right for you before you sign up. Every pilot is unique, But in terms of who this course is for, it's primarily designed for professional multicopter pilots, engineers, and researchers who need a repeatable, reliable, and scientific process to get their fleet optimized and tuned to perfection. If you're a hobbyist or just starting out, then this PX4 tuning course might be more than you need just to get a typical drone flying well with PX4. I have my free YouTube playlist for tuning PX4, and I'll link that down in the video description. Check that out first, and if you need more detail, you can always come back. Regarding the price, I've decided to keep this as a simple one-off payment. There's no subscription, and once you sign up, you'll get lifetime access. This means that you can come back every time you have a new drone to tune, or just in 6 months or 12 months from now when you need a refresher on a particular aspect of PX4 tuning. It also means you will get automatic access to any new content or extra modules that I create for this course over time based on my own learnings or feedback from you. All of this is going to be available at no extra charge. I've put a lot of work into making this the most comprehensive PX4 tuning resource available, and if you're looking to take a more scientific approach to tuning your PX4 flight control stack, then I'll put a link to the Thinkific course down in the video description. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the discussion section and in the first lesson. Happy flying.